Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove watermark from your videos on HitPaw. So go to HitPaw and select Video Watermark Remover. Select your video. Then you're just going to select the kind of watermark that you want to remove. Okay. Then you're going to just select preview as well. Then once you're done, you're just going to export it. I can only preview 5 video screenshots though. You do need to click export to get the complete process result. So make sure you do that. It's gonna remove the watermark. As you can see, it's watermark free. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Once you're done, you're just going to select export. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.